In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all Shopify stores using a straightforward method. If you're curious about which businesses are using Shopify, this guide will walk you through an easy way to discover them. Start by opening your preferred browser and navigating to the website called eCommerce. This website is a useful tool for identifying hosting providers and the domains they host, which is exactly what we're going to leverage today. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look for the section labeled Hosting Companies and give that a click. This will bring up a list of various hosting providers from around the world. Next, you'll want to narrow down the results by selecting Canada from the list of locations. Since Shopify is headquartered in Canada, this step helps in honing in on its hosting infrastructure. By selecting Canada, you're filtering out other hosting services and focusing only on those that are relevant to us. You'll notice that Shopify ranks at the top of the list as one of the major hosting companies in that region. By clicking on Shopify, you'll be taken to a detailed page about its hosting information. Here, you can see various details about Shopify, such as its address, phone number, and more. But what interests us most is the section that lists some of Shopify's most famous websites. Now, if you want to explore further, there's an option known as All Records. By clicking on All Records, you will gain access to a comprehensive list of every website hosted under Shopify's umbrella. This is essentially a treasure trove of information, revealing numerous businesses that have chosen Shopify as their e-commerce platform. And that's it. With this simple process, you've unlocked the ability to browse through a wide array of Shopify stores, seeing firsthand the diversity and range of businesses that rely on Shopify for their online presence. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to explore the vast world of Shopify-hosted stores. Understanding which businesses are leveraging Shopify can be useful whether you're conducting research, looking for inspiration, or simply curious about the e-commerce landscape. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing!